Oh, I certainly, I understand where the where the issues are with the security, because as soon as you actually give up, well, you're not so much giving up, but you're saying to maybe a service provider, I would like you to look after this element of my business, and you're putting together you're asking them for a service, you're forming a contract with them. A lot of it is in the legal framework of that contract, and in terms of what security you are signing up to, or what's more to the point, what security you require, your business require. What is the service level objective for security? So I think the important people in this conversation are actually the lawyers. Actually, IT can, under the covers, they can do neat things around things like encryption. They can do things like multi-tenancy. So, in other words, you're separating tenants who are sharing the same hardware platform, so that one tenant cannot overwrite or stamp on, or you're firewalling them effectively, to put it in simple terms. So that feature functionality is there, inbred in a lot of the stories that certainly NetApp produce today. That multi-tenancy, the encryption is there, but I've got to make the decision of what I keep on premise, what I then decide I'm going to put off premise, and then maybe I will go have an element of my business that goes to the hyperscalers. Maybe my developers are using Amazon Web, Amazon S3, or they're using Microsoft Azure, and my issue then is data, things like data transport, the movement of data, and the consistency of moving data between those three elements. A lot of decisions to be made. That's one area we've been particularly focused on. It's providing a universal data platform which is secure in a cloud. And depending on which model you go for today, whether it's just on premise, and then at some time in the future you change and have an element of your business, backup as a service, for instance, goes off premise. Your developers then go over to Amazon Web Services or Azure. You've got that protection and universal transport of data between the three elements. I think that is going to be a key requirement. But you're right. Security for us in that environment is top of the pile, as performance will be as well. That's another key element.
Thank you very much.